All right, thought I'd give a little video update. This is inside the garage. This is walled up and that's walled up. I'll show you the other one so you get an idea. This was framed out as a garage door. So is it over there. That's pretty big here. Show you the other side. Top's like that also. So the idea now is clear all this out and add a garage door that will probably swing inwards because there's no place to attach the hinges. This is stucco, which is actually cement, then wire, then some type of paper, then the wood that you would actually put screws into. So there's not much of it. It's probably just go around it. Put the hinges on the inside, have them swing out. I have some wheels to brace the hinges also. These pipes right here are a geothermal cooling system. There it goes down 12 feet and then comes back up, goes across 80 feet, then comes back up into the garage. I'll show you the other side. It's the geothermal pipes. They come down this way and then up into the garage. This metal thing was left on the property when we bought it. It reflects the light, which keeps it that much cooler. Yeah, it works really well. It's like over 100 outside already, and inside it's significantly cooler. Yeah, this thing. Oh, the glue. Sometimes you do too good of a caulking job. You just can't get it out. Yeah, hopefully I'll have a update video soon of this all working. This thing emptied out and some vehicles in here. All right, take care. All right, it's already 9. I'm getting pretty tired. I'm gonna call it quits, but got all the hinges up. This is wheels. And then this is just a makeshift lock for the time being. That's how far the distance has to be for the wheels to spin around. It's probably a good idea. Just push it like this. You know. Let's see right about there. Yeah, this plywood's a little warped. But I'll deal with that tomorrow. Put a piece of overlap. I'm not sure where yet, so I put a gap. Yeah. Doing it on my own, one day's work, it's not bad. It's not bad at all. They open and shut so far, and these wheels will support the weight so I can load them up with a bunch of stuff. Should be fine. Insulation and more wood. Yeah. Looking good. Alright, full update. Sun's coming up, looks pretty. Been up shoveling before it gets too hot. Gotta move that wood still. Yeah. It's looking pretty good. Got one door done. This part overlaps this on the door, and this part overlaps this in the door. So together there's like, I don't know, a bunch of overlap. I don't have the insulation to finish this yet, and I could use more solar board too. But yeah, they both open and shut. Pretty cool. Do-it-yourself garage doors. I don't know if any of this is being, you can see it, but there's lightning like that in the distance. It's made it so it's a lot cooler tonight. Oh, there's some. Hopefully I got that. Moving tiles. Old used tiles over here to drive on before getting into the garage. And I'm I'm probably going to open the doors at some point and spread more dirt and smooth this out. I have the truck here. You can see the truck. Yeah. And, see some of the ribs left. That's the truck tires there. Looking pretty good. Just a little update. Loading the old grow tables. After this one, I got 3 more. I'm gonna try to get some of the tool stuff in here and clean it up. It's raining pretty hard. Okay. Everything pretty much cleared out. I gotta go through this. Just a bunch of tools and stuff. Not sure where I'm gonna put that stuff yet. Maybe move the emergency food. Probably put the bed down too. But I rewired, put in wiring for some sockets. So I don't need the extension cords across the floor anymore. And cleared everything out. Let's see what it looks like so far. This is probably how it's going to be for a while. So I got some more wood. But I gotta focus some money on some cars first. It rained recently, which is pretty rare. Yeah. All cleared up. Push this all the way back against the wall. Boring enough space to get in. Could fit a couple cars. I think I'm just going to do one at a time while I work on it, instead of trying to pack them in here. Yeah, pretty cool.